Very good evening. Okay, so any other doubt or any doubt? Whatever we have discussed in integration. Okay, fine. So now we are starting with the next lecture. Yesterday we have discussed integration by parts. Okay, and definite integral introduction. So now we are going to start substitution for definite integrals. Is my screen visible, Vedant?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So substitution for definite integrals, it is similar to the substitution in case of indefinite integrals when the limits are not given. Okay. So again, we will choose this one, u is equals to gx, and let g dash be continuous over an interval ab, and let f be continuous over the range of u is equals to gx. Okay, so then integral a to b f of gx g dash x dx is equal to integral ga to gb f of u du, where u is equals to gx. So we will substitute accordingly. The question will make it more clear. Now we have to evaluate this integral. Integral 0 to 1 x square 1 plus 2x cube whole to the power 5 dx. Okay. So to choose substitution, what do? We will substitute this 1 plus 2x cube is equals to some other variable. 1 plus 2x cube is equals to t, or here we are putting this is equals to u. So similarly, we are having du is equals to 6x square dx. So accordingly, we'll change it and we will solve the integration. Now, as this integral is definite integral, so accordingly, the limit will be changed. These are the limits of x. Now we are changing to variable u. So we will change the limit of integration according to the variable u. So u is equals to 1 plus 2x cube. Here we are having u is equals to 1 plus 2x cube. So we will put the lower limit. X is equals to 0, then u is equals to 1. After substituting x equal to 0 in 1 plus 2x cube. And when x is equals to 1, u is equals to 3. So therefore integral 0 to 1 x square 1 plus 2x cube whole to the power 5 dx becomes 1 by 6 integral 1 to 3 from 1 to 3 limit of integration u to the power 5 du, and we will simplify it, and finally the answer is 182 upon 9. Okay, now we have to evaluate these values. Evaluate integral minus 1 to 0 y into 2y square minus 3 whole to the power 5 dy, and integral 0 to 1 x e to the power 4x square plus 3 dx. So I am giving this question to all of you. Solve this first one. Evaluate integral minus 1 to 0 y into 2y square minus 3 whole to the power 5 dy. Okay. So I am giving you 2 minutes to solve this question, and I'll ask randomly to anyone to share their solution in the chat box. So all of you note down this question. Evaluate integral minus 1 to 0 y into 2y square minus 3 whole to the power 5 dy. Okay, Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Note it down.
Yes, ma'am.
And simplify it. All of you. I hope all of you have noted it down.
Ma'am, I was having connection issue. Can you repeat which question?
Can you see the shared PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshajit.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you didn't see the question.
No, ma'am. Actually, I was having some connection issue, so video was buffering in between
Okay.
for me.
Now, can you see the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try this one, first one.
Okay.
Evaluate integral -1 to 0 y into 2y square minus 3 whole to the power 5 dy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Chandan. Chandan, are you there? Chandan Kumar Saha. Vidhi. Vidhi. Yes, Vidhi, are you there? Vidhi is also not responding. Shantanu. 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 Gauri. Yes, Parth,
I'm
tell
done.
me. Done.
Yes.
Did you get the same answer, Parth?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
What answer did you get? Yes, Parth, tell me. Yes, Mohit. Done?
Same answer.
Getting same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Parth, are you getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I shared my answer on chat box.
Mohit, you shared your answer. Good. How did you do it, Mohit? We are going back to the slide. Yes, Mohit, tell me.
Wait, one see.
Yes, Mohit.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I put 2y square minus 3 equals to me t. Then differentiate 4y dy is equals to me dt. Then y dy is equals to me dt by 4.
Okay. And what are the limit of integration? Then
-1 to -3.
-1 to -3.
Yes, ma'am.
-3 to -1.
Lower limit will not change.
Yes,
Then
ma'am. It is same.
Ma'am, same हो
-1.
जाएगी ना.
okay. 2y square. Yes, -1. Okay, fine. Anyone having any doubt in this? This is simple. We will put the higher degree polynomial as some other variable if we are having other polynomial with the lower degree. Okay, so that it will make the substitution easier. So you'll get 91/3 as its answer. I hope nobody will be having any doubt or problem in this. This is obvious one. Okay. So similarly, we are having next. You can try this also. So now we are taking next one. Definite integration by partial fractions. Yes, actually this partial fraction concept is very, very important, not in integration itself, but in differential calculus, in other theories also. So I hope you people have studied this partial fraction, but we are just revising it. And in the following semesters, you will be coming across this partial fraction, how to break the fraction into partial fraction in differential equations also, in differential calculus and in integral calculus itself. So partial fraction, if suppose any fraction is given, we have to separate it in terms of partial fraction. So step one is to reduce the denominator into linear factors. Okay, or factorize the denominator. So it will be in terms of x minus a into x minus b. So these are the linear factors in denominator. So what do? We put it as a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b, and then we will equate both of them, and then we find some equations, simplify them and find the values of constants, these capital A and capital B. All these a and b's are constants, but this small a and small b are known to us. We have to find these capital A and capital B constants. Okay. Similarly, second one, if it is x minus a whole square, that means the denominator is now having the repeating roots. A is the repeating root. So in that case, partial fraction will be in terms of a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a whole square. Similarly, next one, if the denominator is x minus a into x minus b, x minus 3, three factors, it is similar to first one, a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b plus c upon x minus c. Now next one, fourth one is one root is repeating root and one root is the distinct root, x minus a whole square into x minus b. In that case, it will be combination of first and second rule. It is a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a whole square plus c upon x minus b. Okay. So that means the repeating root will repeat itself in partial fraction also. First with degree 1 and second with degree 2. Now fifth one is if one factor is the linear factor and other factor is the quadratic factor, such that this x square plus bx plus c cannot be factorized further. We cannot factorize it further. So in that case, a upon x minus a is for the linear factor x minus a, and for the quadratic factor which can't be factorized further, we will take in numerator bx plus c. That means it will be again a polynomial of degree 1. इससे पहले जितने भी यहाँ पे constants है, these are the polynomial of degree 0. These are just the constants in numerator. But when we are having quadratic term which can't be factorized further in denominator, then in that case we will take for that factor bx plus c upon x square plus bx plus c. Similarly, if we are having any cubic polynomial or any cubic factor in denominator, similarly numerator will be a degree less than the denominator value. So if it is cubic, then we will consider it as bx square plus cx plus a. Okay, so that term will be in the numerator. Is there any doubt in any of the forms to anyone? Do I repeat the partial fraction? Okay,
No,
I
ma'am,
hope
clear.
it's clear. Very good. Okay, now we are doing some questions over partial fractions. These are very simple. Integral dx upon x plus 1 into x plus 2. This is already in terms of linear factors. So simply we will break it into partial fractions, writing it as a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x plus 2. Now equating the like terms, we will get the values of a and b. Right. So a is 1, b is minus 1. Substituting its value, now it will make our integration easier. So it is log of x plus 1 minus log mod x plus 2 plus c. Similarly, this one is integral x square plus 1 upon x square minus 5x plus 6. So always try to take numerator 1 degree less than the denominator or degree less than the denominator. Here numerator and denominator are having same degrees. So we can divide this numerator by denominator to make this numerator as degree lesser than the denominator. So when we divide it, as it is written here, in this case the integrator is not a proper rational function, so we reduce it to proper rational function. That means we can't, which can't be reduced further. So in this case it can be reduced to further proper rational function, so in that case we will divide it. Okay, I hope division of polynomial is clear to all of you. When we divide x square plus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6, you will get 1 plus 5x minus 5 upon x square minus 5x plus 6. Is that okay? Okay, so
Yes,
here the very good. The numerator is 1 degree less now. It is 5x minus 5 upon x square minus 5x plus 6, which can't be reduced further. अब हम इसको और simplify नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay, so next step will be to break it into partial fraction. So to break it into partial fraction, first we will break the denominator term into linear factors. So we'll make the factors of x square minus 5x plus 6, which is x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now take this term 5x minus 5 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3, break it into partial fraction. The factors are linear, so therefore it is in terms of a upon x minus 2 plus b upon x minus 3. Now equating the values or like terms, you will get to know the values of a and b, which is minus 5 and 10. And hence substituting the values and then integrating it, you will get the answer. Okay, so partial fraction is making our integration easier. One more question here, 2 upon 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So simply convert it into partial fraction. First break the denominator into linear factors, then break it into partial fractions. So we got a as 4, b as minus 2. Simplifying it, applying the limit of integration, upper limit in the function minus lower limit in the function. This is the answer. Okay. Now integration by parts. Definite integration by parts is similar to the integration by parts without limits. Indefinite integration by parts. Okay, there is nothing different, but we put limits at last in the solution. So this is easier. Similarly, x e to the power x integral 0 to 2. So first we integrate it and then we put limit of integration. So this is so simple. Okay, again this e to the power 2x into x square dx. I hope there is no problem in these questions. We can try something different. Okay, this is just the concept to revise these terms. Next one is, yes, integral 0 to 3 x under root 1 plus x dx. 0 to 3 integral x under root 1 plus x dx. So here again we will follow by parts. Okay, so which function will be first and which function will be second, if I ask any one of you? Okay, I'll ask Vidhi. Are you there, Vidhi? Vidhi? Vidhi nahi hai. Chandan? Chandan is also not here. Shantanu? Shantanu nahi hai. Jitesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jitesh, very good. How are you, Jitesh?
I'm fine.
You're fine. How many classes did you have today?
Counting this 4.
This one is 4th.
Yes, ma'am.
So today was a good day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So that means you can give my questions answer to my question, right, Jitesh?
Ma'am, I guess, I hope so.
Very good. Okay, Jitesh, then tell me if the function or if the integrand is x under root 1 plus x, how do you solve it? If the integrand is x under root 1 plus x.
Yes, ma'am.
Jitesh, can we see you?
Ma'am, actually, I can't turn out my camera right now.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Yes, Jitesh. If the function is x under root 1 plus x, how will you solve the integration?
Uh, Wait a minute. Ma'am, I guess, ma'am, we can substitute,
Okay.
I guess. Yes, ma'am, we can substitute.
Okay. What do we
Um, we
substitute?
can, we can substitute 1 plus x as t.
Okay. Then
Then, ma'am, if we substitute 1 plus x as t, then we get then we get t root t minus root t. Yes, ma'am. Then we get t root t minus root t,
if we
and
substitute if we
yes,
substitute
ma'am. What?
if we substitute 1 plus x is equals to t,
Yes, ma'am.
then
And then we would get ma'am, putting 1 plus x as t. Then we would get 1 root t, and in bracket we would get 1 minus t minus 1. Sorry, because we put it 1 plus x as t, so x equals to t minus 1.
okay.
So then, ma'am, we would get t root t minus t.
Hmm.
So t root t minus root t.
T root t minus 1 and minus root t minus 1.
No, no, ma'am, t into root t minus root t.
Yeah, putting 1 plus x is equals to t. So that means
Yes,
dx is equals to dt, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it will be,
I can solve and put the solution in the chat box.
okay. Any other thing?
Ma'am, what if we take under root 1 plus x as t square?
Okay.
Then we will have t square minus 1 into t dt.
You are taking root 1 plus x as t square or 1 plus x as t square.
1 plus x as t square. We will
Okay.
get dx is equal to 2t dt.
Right.
And then we will have 2 times the integral of t square minus 1 into t dt.
2 times integral of
T square minus 1 into t dt
t square minus 1, right, into t
into
dt.
t dt.
ठीक
Then
है?
we'll just get
Multiply
integral
both
of
brackets.
0 to 3 from t cube minus t dt. We can do that.
Yes. Yes, we can do that. Right. Or anything else? We can also solve it using by parts.
Ma'am, we can take root 1 plus x as a first function and x as the second function, then using by parts.
X as second function.
Yes, ma'am.
We will choose that function as first function whose derivative after some times becomes 0. Or constant. if it is x under root 1 plus x, that means we are having two functions, x and under root 1 plus x. So out of these two, which is the function whose derivative after some times becomes 1 or constant? X. Okay, so that means we will choose x as first function and under root 1 plus x as second function. If we will choose x as second function, so its integration will give us more powers of x. Okay, Mohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, we got two solutions here. One is using by parts, and one is given by Lakshji, that is putting 1 plus x as t square. Yes, we can solve it using both. But I think it will be difficult, Jitesh, to solve it when we put 1 plus x is equals to t. It will again give us some function like this.
No, ma'am, we got after putting 1 plus x as t, we got t to the power 3 by 2 minus t to the power 1 by 2. So, ma'am, we
Okay.
could easily get 2 upon 5 t to the power 5 by 2 minus 2 upon 3
That
t
means
to
it
the
is
power 3 by
easily
2.
integrable, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, then fine. Okay, great. Very good. That means you people are good with integration. I am happy for this. Very good. Okay, so these are the various methods to solve this question, and answer is 4 by 3. So you people can choose any of the method and verify it with this solution as 4 by 3. Okay. So next one is integral 2x cos 3x plus pi dx. Okay, again we will solve it. We can solve it using by parts as well. Okay, 2x cos 3x plus pi dx. So 2 is constant, so 2 will be outside, and x cos 3x plus pi, x will be our first function and cos 3x plus pi will be the second function. Okay, so we can simplify it easily. 2x plus 1 whole to the power 4 into x plus 1 dx. Yes, 2x plus 1 whole to the power 4 into x plus 1 dx. Okay, one method which is given here is by parts. Any other method? Can you suggest me any other method? Any one of you? This is 2x plus 1 whole to the power 4 into x plus 1 dx. Yes. One method is we can solve it using by parts.
Yes, only I guess only this method is.
Other
good
method
for
is?
this. I'm there. I don't know, but for this type of thing, by parts is more convenient. Because we cannot substitute any value for t or other.
Can we open the bracket of x plus 1? x plus 1 को हम इसमें multiply कर सकते हैं? 2x plus 1 whole to the power 4.
No, ma'am.
मैम 2x plus 1 का बोल सकते हैं x plus 1 में मल्टीप्लाई करके, लेकिन वो लंबा पड़ जाएगा थोड़ा.
Can't we distribute x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 whole to the power 4?
No idea.
ma'am.
We can do it, do that, and it will be easier, I think. It will be x times 2x plus 1 whole to the power 4 plus 2x plus 1 whole to the power 4, and then take this x inside the bracket. नहीं होगा? This will be then 2x square plus x.
Ma'am, how can we take x inside the bracket?
Okay, but this whole to the power 4 will be trouble us, as it will be now 2x square plus x whole to the power 4.
Yes, ma'am.
We can also put 2x plus 1 equals to t.
We can also
2x plus 1 is equals to t.
okay, then yes, we can put 2x plus 1 is equals to t. Yes, and then x will be
Then ma'am, we will get t to the power 4.
Yes, we can do that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right, Lakshika. Is that clear to all of you? We can also do it by substitution. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine. We can do it by substitution and we can do it by using integration by parts. Fine. So, next one is x e to the power x. This one is very simpler. Okay, now we are taking some questions to solve. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I'm giving you one question. Is my screen visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Only
Yes, ma'am.
question is visible.
The board is visible, right?
No, ma'am. PPT.
PPT. Okay, wait.
No, ma'am. PPT is visible.
Okay, wait. Yes, now tell me, is the board visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
write. Okay, then write one question. Yes, this one. The question is integral x cube x square minus 1 whole to the power 10
Ma'am,
dx.
nothing is visible. Only black screen is visible.
Not visible, ma'am.
Not
Not
visible.
visible.
Okay, I'm sharing again. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Integral x cube x square minus 1 whole to the power 10 dx. Yes, how do we do that? This is integral x cube x square minus 1 whole to the power 10 dx. Yes, any one of you who wants to give it a try?
Ma'am, we can put x square minus 1 equal to t, and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
when we differentiate it, 1x will come down, and
Okay.
on dividing the x cube will become x square, and then we can put the
Okay,
value of t once
okay,
again.
we'll try that. You are saying that we are taking, let this x square minus 1 is equals to t. Okay, then this 2x dx is equal to dt. Then you're saying that x dx is now 1 by 2 times dt. Okay, fine. So therefore, this integral x cube, which I am writing it as now x square into x square minus 1 whole to the power n dx is equal to integral. Now x square will be replaced by t plus 1, and this x square minus 1 whole to the power 10 is now t to the power 10, and this x dx is now 1 by 2 times dt. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, great. Now we can do it. So it is now 1 by 2 times integral t to the power 11 plus t to the power 10 dt. Okay, fine. And now it is 1 by 2 times t to the power 12 by 12 plus t to the power 11 by 11, fine, which is now 1 by 2 times x square minus 1 whole to the power 12 by 12 plus x square minus 1 whole to the power 11 by 11. Yes, great. ठीक है. Plus c. Okay, when it is indefinite integral, always put constant of integration. I think it's fine with everyone now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are taking another
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Okay, great. Now we are taking another one. This one is okay. Now we are now we are okay. Now we are taking this one. This one is integral log x square upon x dx. Yes. Log
We can
x,
take x square is equals to t.
log x square is equals to t.
log x
No,
को
ma'am.
t put कर
X
दो.
Is it log x whole
log
square?
x is
It is log of x square. X square is only at x.
Yes, ma'am. So we can take x square is equals to t.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can take log x square equals to t, then differentiate, we will get it.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am, we
exactly.
can power of x square will come
Yes,
before
ma'am.
log 2 log x.
Okay. Yes, that will make it more simpler. Okay, we'll take every option. We'll try every option. One option you have given that we can take let log of this x square is equals to t. Then differentiate it. So it will be 1 by x square into 2x dx is equal to dt. So it is now 2 by x dx is equals to dt. And it is now 1 by x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Fine. So yes, we can use that one. तो ये आपका simply हो जाएगा integral t dt 1 by 2. So this is t square by 4 plus c. यही होगा ना?
Yes, ma'am. Then we will replace t as t equals to log x square. Then it will be log x square whole to the power square.
Yes, this will be log t square. So t is this log x square whole to the power square by 4 plus c. And we can simplify it more. It will be simply log x square plus c. Right? Why? As we can write it as 2 log x by 4 ka square. Okay. And this 2 square and this 4 will be, this will be 2 square, 4 and 4 cancel ho jayega. So it is simply log x square plus c. Okay. This was the one option. Other option you have given to me. Yes,
X
Rakshika.
square equals to t. X square is equals to t.
X square is equals to t. Okay. So 2x dx is dt. 2x dx is dt then.
Yes, ma'am.
But we need dx by x.
नो मैम देन इट्स फाइन ना. देन x जो है वो नीचे चला जाएगा तो x स्क्वायर को हम t रख सकते हैं.
नहीं, what do we do with this x? इसको आप रूट टी कह रहे हो?
मैम ये x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा ना. ये जो x है 2x dx
हाँ.
तो ये x नीचे जाएगा तो x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा तो उसको हम t रख देंगे.
नीचे कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो इसको? This is x dx is equals to 1 by 2 dt.
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
And we can also move that x with 2.
X with 2.
मैम आपने 2 लिखा है ना.
हाँ
उसे आप 2x लिख दीजिए क्योंकि ये x भी तो नीचे जा सकता है.
okay, you are saying that we can write dx is equals to 1 by 2x dt.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, this will multiply with this x.
no, am I getting wrong?
No, ma'am.
We have to keep it in one variable only, either in t or in x.
मैम मैं कैसे मैम ये 1/2x dt जो आपने लिखा है और फिर इधर नीचे भी एक x है तो ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होके x² बन जाएगा.
तो then what do we do with this dt?
मैम
मैम
हम मैम
ln
से मल्टीप्लाई टू से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं.
नहीं, मैंने क्वेश्चन कर लिया अपना.
मैम ये वाला मेरा आंसर भी आ गया.
तुम कैसे कह रहे हो? अब मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दूं इसमें?
मैम dx को रिप्लेस कर
Yes,
दीजिए.
ma'am.
Okay, so that means you are saying that if it could be written as log x square की जगह मैंने लिखा t, okay, और dx की जगह आप कह रहे हो 1 by 2x dt कर दूं.
Yes मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
और मैम ये वाला x भी तो है जो नीचे x है.
square कर दूं.
Yes, ma'am. Then this x² can be replaced as t.
Like this.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
But this term is wrong.
No, ma'am. We can directly replace this, no? x² as t.
So for that, what you will do? You will find the value of dx by x. Okay, what do we do after it? We will write x dx, or we will divide both sides by, or we will find from here x is equals to under root t. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you are saying that if it is reduced to integral log t by 2t dt, okay, चलो इसको और सॉल्व करते हैं. 1 by 2 log t को फिर से कुछ रखोगे तो
p रख लेते हैं.
हाँ u रख लो, u square by 2 आ जाएगा, है ना? तो u square by 2, that means it is now log t का square by 4, है ना?
मैम ये वाला 2x लिखा है आपने, टोटल 4 होगा नीचे.
टोटल 4 होगा, टोटल 4 होगा, राइट. ये नहीं आएगा. ओके, इसको हम इरेज कर देते हैं. प्लस c. Is this the answer after it?
Yes, ma'am. We can replace t as x² after
Yes,
that.
yes. Okay. We will replace log t. T is again x square. Okay, we are getting the same answer. Yes, log x square plus c. But here the x should be 2t then. 2 times t. If you are taking x square as t, that means x is equals to under root t. Okay. Okay, can we write it as integral log t to divided by t to the power 1 by 2, and in place of dx we are having dt upon 2 into t to the power half. Yes, now it will work. So it is now log t upon 2t dt. ठीक है? Now it's correct. Okay, ठीक है. I was confused with this term. Right, fine. Any other thing? One thing also we have discussed, that was we can write this log x square by x dx as integral 2 log x by x dx. Okay, then 2 is constant and it will be log x by x dx, simply taking log x as u. This is now 1 by x dx is equals to du. Therefore, it is 1 by 2 times integral u du, which is simply u square by 2 plus c, which is simply log x square plus c. Okay, this is another method. Okay, so now we are having 3 methods to solve the same question. Okay, anyone having doubt? No. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, the answer is different.
Log x square plus c.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened?
Yes, ma'am. Answer here
No,
is
no, no.
different.
I'm okay, okay, okay.
तो पहले दो में भी वैसे ही होगा जैसे इसमें हुआ.
बेटा हमने यही तो किया ना, u को log x रखा. ये डिफरेंट कैसे आया बताओ, यहाँ तक क्लियर है?
I mean the previous
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
written ln x square.
No, it was ln x whole square. This is ln
No,
x whole
ma'am.
square.
Ma'am,
ln t square whole square लिया ना. What is t here? This is x square. Okay, इसको simplify कर देते हैं हम पूरा. This is ln t. तो ln t means ln x square का square by 4 plus c. So again we will take this 2 आगे, तो ये हो जाएगा 2 का स्क्वायर, 4 से 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो इट इज अगेन ln x स्क्वायर ln x का होल स्क्वायर प्लस c. यही तो आ रहा है. डिफरेंट आ रहा है क्या? सॉरी
ma'am,
No, ma'am, it's the same.
Ma'am, it is same.
सॉरी, ये सेम आ रहा है. ln x का होल स्क्वायर ln x का होल स्क्वायर एंड दिस इज अगेन ln x का होल स्क्वायर. दिस वन इज ऑल्सो ln x का होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
फाइन.
Okay, ma'am.
नमन
Yes,
ठीक है ना?
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, now attendance time. Is there any other doubt in this? Integral calculus, since we are starting next topic from next class onwards. And I have uploaded previous class PPTs. Yes, Nandini, Vanshveer, Samaksh, Nikhil, Tushar, Himank, Shahjan, Nikita,
Present, ma'am.
Nibir, Spraha, Ayush, Hiren, Pranav. Pranav was there, I think.
No, ma'am,
Pranav?
there are two Pranav. Ma'am, I'm
Okay.
Pranav Verma.
Okay, fine. Faraz, Divyanshi,
Present, ma'am.
Vidhi. Vidhi has joined, but she is not responding. Hardik, Lakshika is there. Ojas, Rakshit, Vedant,
Present, ma'am.
Prabal, Lakshay,
Present, ma'am.
Tanupriya, Ujasvi, Rama, Sameer,
Present. Rama present.
रमा रमा आप क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हो? रमा,
Yes, ma'am.
are you doing questions?
Yes.
Okay. Sameer, Yash, Kushag, Sudhanshu.
Present, ma'am.
Sudhanshu is there. Very good. Sarthak,
Present, ma'am.
Shreyas, Pranav. Pranav is here.
Present, ma'am. Pranav.
Lakshajit. Lakshajit is here.
Present, ma'am.
Very good. Achal, Aman, Mohit. Mohit is here.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Vanshika. Vanshika. Okay. Gauri.
Present, ma'am.
Gauri.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Gauri. Sudiksha. Aditya. Prajwal. Shantanu.
Present, ma'am.
Shantanu, you didn't respond earlier.
Ma'am, Prajwal present. My
Sir,
mic wasn't
oh, ma'am, there was some
starting.
issue.
So, Shantanu, did you solve the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I ask you to share some solution?
Ma'am, okay, yeah, ma'am. I can WhatsApp you.
क्या कह रहे हो?
I can WhatsApp you. My webcam is not working.
No, I'm not asking you to open the webcam. I'm asking you, can you share the solution of the questions we solved today?
Where?
If I ask you, can you share? I will tell you the medium.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, I can share.
Okay. Yes, Prajwal, you are saying something.
Yes, ma'am, I'm present. I couldn't say, like, my mic wasn't going on for some reason.
Fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Naman,
Present, ma'am.
Pragati, Ariman, Parth is here. Bhavya,
Ma'am, partially present.
yes. Bhavya is not here. Apar, Atik, Ansh, Naima, Sara, Akshita.
Present, ma'am.
Akshita. Okay. Ujjwal, Dhruv,
Present, ma'am.
Vaibhav,
Present, ma'am.
Chandan. Okay, Jitesh. Jitesh is here. Right, Jitesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So we have lots of absentees. So I am calling the name of presentees. Nikita, then Divyanshi, Lakshika, Vedant, Lakshay, Rama, then Sudhanshu, Sarthak, Pranav, Lakshajit, Mohit, Gauri, Prajwal, Shantanu, Naman, Parth, Akshita, Dhruv, and Jitesh. Fine. So this is done. Okay. So fine. Okay then. You may
Thank you,
leave the
ma'am.
class now.
Thank you,
Good
ma'am.
luck.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.